And also, sinasabi na tuwing festival daw sa Zamboanga is umuulan. Maging sila ay hindi alam kung bakit. No? And one of their tradition is their art tradition, which is the weaving, basketry, and metalwork. Weaving na kung saan paghahabi, basketry ang paggawa ng mga basket, at metalwork na kung saan paggawa rin ng mga metal. And also, they have the Zamboangueño traditional costumes. Sa lalaki, tinatawag itong camiseta Zamboangueña, at sa mga babae naman, tinatawag itong mascot. At sinusuot nila ito tuwing may mga formal occasions and celebrations. At hindi makokompleto ang ating paglalakbay kung hindi tayo pupunta sa mga souvenir shop or palengke na kung saan bibili tayo ng mga pasalubong. So, dito sa palengke ng Zamboanga del Norte or sa souvenir shops ng Zamboanga del Norte, pwede tayo makabili ng mga t-shirts, mga weave products, and so on. Is there any other questions you would like to ask before we end this tour? So I guess none. Thank you for listening. Your next destination will be held 1 minute ahead after this tour. Again, I am Frankie Bandola, and together with Miss Torres, we thank you for listening and joining this tour. We hope you enjoy and discover something new from Zamboanga Peninsula. Until we meet again, have a nice day everyone, and mabuhay!